today I want to show you something super cool that I got off Amazon for only $20. This is a product, a tool that goes for a lot of money and with other brands, but I said to myself, I'm not going to spend a lot of money on something if there's something out there that's cheaper, it's less expensive, that works just as well. So the only way to try that is to get the cheaper one first and see how that goes. And if it doesn't work, you can move up to the expensive one. If you're, I just have so much stuff. Let's just put it that way. And when I look back at my boxes and everything, I'm like, there's that curling iron I thought was the greatest in the world, and there's that straightening iron I thought was the greatest in the world. So basically, I got this off Amazon for $20. Let's check it out. Okay, so what did I get off Amazon for $20? You might be wondering. You're probably not wondering because it is in the description. And you can see I've used it. Some of my hairs, I want to show you this because some of my hairs did kind of grasp on. It's not flawless, but I can show you how I do use this so that I don't end up with a lot of hair on the brush. And I think that's most important, because this may or may not seem like a lot of hair to you. This to me is not a lot, but there's a couple things I like a lot about this brush. And one is that it's designed. It's like totally flat, kind of like an oval shape, which gives me more time and space to straighten the hair while I'm drying it. So that to me is one of the reasons why I got it. And the plus was when I got it, these bristles are totally gentle and they're bendy. Like if you run your finger across them, they're bending. Okay, the next thing I really love about this, super lightweight. I'm not hurting myself at all. I'm not holding a big heavy hair dryer and this and that and the other thing. Super duper lightweight. That's about it for the hardware. And this is super easy to turn off, on and off. Oh, and before we get started, I want to tell you that this actually dries your hair. There's so many of these types of products do not dry your hair at all. My hair does dry really fast because it's colored. I just put the acidic bonding thing in it from Redken, so that was a treatment, so it is drying faster than usual, but I guess you could say that I do let it dry kind of halfway. Anyways, if you have color treated hair or bleached hair, letting it air dry is, a must. You have to let it air dry a bit, You don't want to just keep repeating all that abuse on it, So I did let it air dry quite a bit, but this does dry your hair. I just wanted to make that clear. It does work. So this is as loud as it gets. This is on high. So what I'm doing, I'll tell you. Okay, let me put that. This is, I had it here a second ago. Oh, here it is. Okay. Ta-da! Kerastase. This is the treatment I use before I blow dry. It's called Kerastase. Immersion Nutritive. Anyway, I just happen to like it. I only use about that much. Oh, I made a heart. Oh, I just smushed it. Anyway. Okay. I'm just gonna put it mostly on the ends here and work my way up. So let's use a little bit of this more than the kerastase. Oh, it doesn't have the, I totally thought it had that cap with the hole in the middle because I went like that, It doesn't. You have to, that's kind of annoying, but that's not too bad. Yeah, you have to totally take the cap off. So just on these fluffy parts, and I can already see where it's drier and where I get my knot. I like to put a little extra there. All right. Okay, so here we go.
Okay, right about here, I can tell my hair is a little bit drier than it usually is, so I'm just going to add a little bit more of this, the kerastase, yeah, something French, I think it's French, I don't know. They used to send us this, or I think they did, when I did this show called Austin and Ally. There was an actress, I can't remember, it was a really long time ago, but we used to use the curly hair product on her hair. That was a fun show. Yeah, this is like totally treated and you can see the difference in seconds. So I can feel some breakage, but I think it's from the treatment I did earlier today. Those bonding treatments, I don't think I'm 100% behind them. I mean, I don't know. Maybe they're good. The ones that I'm using aren't working, but this feels like I got all the spots. Let's try it again. Okay, so again, I just turn it on all the way that way. I can feel like this part's a little damp, and I can just like lay that on there. Can you see that? That's so cool. Oh yeah. And that's like butter. So if it's rolling, it's because there's a snarl there, and I don't want to pull on it. This thing's a great ass. I mean, I think I like it because it's super lazy. if you're really lazy, like, this is the way to go. Another reason I really like it is because it's super fun. I don't know why it's so much fun, but it really is fun. Excuse me. There's some knots here, so I'm just kind of letting the heat penetrate it with the product on it, and I'm getting some results. I don't know if it makes, sorry, I don't mean to cough. Anyway. So it's like, great for straightening hair the lazy way. And another thing I like about it is I don't get overheated. Like, sometimes when I use the dryer, I'm like sweating. Like, you know what I'm talking about if you have long hair and you're trying to straighten it yourself, especially in the back. But I don't even break a sweat with this. It's like almost done. I haven't cut out the time, or at least right now, I've decided I don't really want to cut out the time that it's taken to dry it because I think it shows the value of it. You know, like this is a project that normally would take I don't know, like probably a half an hour. I'd be sweating, I'd be stretching, and this is just a dream come true. I mean, totally a dream come true. Alright, so as you can see, I mean, it's straight. Definitely would run an iron over it, but this is so easy to work with where the hair is at right now, and it looks definitely presentable for just day to day, you know, like if I'm just running around and not going out, for sure. I mean, going out to an event, definitely you can go get in the car and stuff, do stuff with this look. Yeah, so that did not take long at all. I am not sweating. My hair looks great. I mean, seriously, I just can't even believe this gadget. It's 20 hours. You're not supposed to touch this. Like, don't touch that. It's hot. This is like where you can touch. It's not that hot. This gadget is $20. Got my hair like this. Looks really good. And it was not a lot of work. I mean, there are casualties, but not like massive, and there's no ripping, there's no pulling. I mean, this is definitely worth a try. Definitely worth, you know, the glide. Oh, it's amazing. And it's fun, too. And $20 on Amazon. You can return things on Amazon, so definitely recommend. Get your hair smooth with this cheap gadget. Yeah. Like and subscribe, because I buy all this stuff, you know what I mean? And I use it for work, and I use it for myself. I do hair on set, so I have used it on a lot of actresses and things. Yeah, totally. When I like something, it's usually because it's making my job easier and it's making the hair look better. And definitely, for, you know, I'm not even going to say for $20 because this, to me, is worth so much more than that. I think it's worth like $50, to be honest with you. Like, that's what these results are worth for me. And companies that are selling stuff similar for like in the hundreds and that, I am dying to try whatever that is, because maybe that dries your hair like once and you're really done. But I'm not going to invest the money in that just yet. Maybe if I'm on a show full time, or I get a bigger movie, I would. But for right now, I'm going to stick with my $20 gadget. Oh, please like and subscribe. That's what I wanted to talk about. Like and subscribe because it makes me feel good. And I love doing this. It's so much fun. And yeah, I think you're going to, you know, I mean, who knew about this? Like, a lot of people did, but not everybody. And you can see the results, and that's what I'm all about. So anyway, have a great day.